Happy Thursday, my cash cow family. How have you been? Hopefully well. Anyway, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney for your print-on-demand Shopify store. It doesn't even have to be print-on-demand. Your Shopify website, I should say. So if that interests any of you, I urge you to stick around for the whole freaking video. And I'll turn around and we'll get this party started. Me again. Guys, I always forget to tell you that first link in the description is a Shopify 3-month trial. It's not free, but it's $1 per month. So I thought that would help you guys out. So anyway, I'll flip it around again and we'll get it started again. All right, let's try this again. Okay, guys, so I'm going to help out this lovely woman. It's probably not even her, it's probably a freaking guy. But anyway, guys, I need to sign up for Shopify myself. Obviously, I'm not going to be using my own affiliate link, and you guys should never, ever do that, because they will find out, even if you have ExpressVPN or VPN, whatever. So let's see here, kids.
This might sound a little bit crazy, but if you...
Whoa, I don't need to hear that. Okay, here's her link. I'm sorry, his link. Well, guys, I need to run over to Namecheap real quick, and because that's where I bought my domain name for this new Shopify store that I'm building out, and attempting to show you how to use Midjourney for some of your content on your website for graphics and stuff like that, for the banners. And I'm going to show you some examples. In fact, I'll show you right now. And then I'll head over to Namecheap and sign up for their private email. Because I did look at Google and the email that I wanted to use is not available. And I don't want to be using Gmail anyway. And that's a good thing to say, guys. I mean, if you are starting a print-on-demand store or website, whatever you're doing, in your e-commerce journey, it's best to have like an email that says like support at blah blah blah.com or info at blah blah blah.com. I was going to say check out my things that I've created, but I'll show you that in just 1 second, guys. Let me go over here to Namecheap. And if you're new to this channel, obviously I don't do scripts and I never will. Sometimes I write things down, but so just stick with me. We'll get to the good stuff here real soon. All right. Fucking Namecheap. Oh, wait. Hang on. We just got an order, and I want to see for how much. Shopify, or this e-commerce store, I am so frustrated with it. You don't even know the frickin'... The other day I did $600 in sales. The next day I did 40. The following day I did 700 in sales. And then today we've done 80. It's just... This is your cash cow's life. I just want to see what this person ordered real quick. I love music. Don't you love music? Music makes the world go round. Another thing, guys, is I do not care about how long my videos are anymore, or any of that stuff, because people aren't watching them. And if you do want to watch them and watch them into their entirety, that's great. If not, so be it. But I'm so sick of worrying about my performance on YouTube, because it's not how I'm going to make any money in this world anytime soon from YouTube. So I'll just continue posting when and if I want, and kind of go from there, guys, until I get to Mexico, and then I'm going to start the Cash Cow vlog. So, and if you guys don't know, if you're new to this channel, your Cash Cow, is moving to Mexico. I'm just waiting for my passport right now, and a couple other things I have to tie up. Actually, a lot of things I have to tie up because I basically have to sell everything that I have. But I'm going to be creating content down there and showing you guys how I make money and able to live there. You guys can do it too, trust me. Not a rocket scientist. I know I look like it. Let me go into my account. Guys, if you are considering buying a domain name, I've been using Namecheap for 20-something years. They're the best in the business, guys. Don't go with GoDaddy. So this is going to be my new website. This is the new domain. I bought this a few days ago. Obviously, MAGA, meaning Make America Great Again, a famous Donald Trump saying. It's going to be called MAGA 2.0. You can't put a point in between the 2 and the O. So that's that. That took a matter of 5 minutes to set up that this email, which is support@maga20.com or 2.0.com. And if you missed it, there's a trial down below, guys. 3 months for $3 whole, $1 a month. You're welcome, sir. I'm going to skip all this stuff, guys. Building my store. I wish you were building it. Oh my God. So I went on to Fiverr. I guess, the last couple days, trying to have someone build my store for me. Not only is it super expensive, but I was reading the reviews and they were great reviews, but they just seem all fake to me. And I'm not going to give someone $5,000 to build a website for me. Yeah, just not going to do it. So here we are doing it ourselves, like always. And hey, and guys, when you do sign up for Shopify, and I've done a million videos on Shopify and setting it up, as soon as you log right in, there'll be a setup guide up here, and you'll just follow the steps from there. Let me finish what I was saying. Guys, it's super simple to set all this up. If you don't know how, watch my other videos or watch somebody else's video. So I'm going to go on to online store. Why does my trial end on April 22nd, considering I thought it was a 3-month frickin' trial? These rookie affiliate marketers, I tell you. So I already know the theme, guys, that I'm going to be using, which is the refresh theme. This is a video about Midjourney and right? I just go off on tangents, guys. That's who I am, and I'm not changing for no one. So, guys, when you want to get a new theme, because it automatically comes with the Dawn theme, which is a great theme, but not for this website. I'm going to be using the refresh. So any theme that you guys want to use, all you do is just click add, and it'll add it to it. And obviously they have way more themes than this. I think there's only like maybe 12 free ones. I'm not sure these days. But if you want to look at other, I'm sorry, they have 80 free and paid professionally designed themes. So just click here and it'll take you over there and you can check them out. I hope you've all been well. What's going on in this crazy place we call the world, guys and gals? Can you believe the insanity? I've been talking about this for at least 2 years, guys, and hence one of the reasons why I'm getting the flip out of, not only California, which is horrible, but America. It's just, I cannot believe that my daughters are having to grow up in a world such as this. It's absolute insanity. I never thought I would ever say that America sucks, but I'm not going to lie, guys. In my opinion, it sucks. So adios. All right, guys, so we added it, and then we're just going to click on customize, and I'll finally get around to showing you what I was going to show you. So basically, guys, for these slideshows, that's what I'm going to be using Midjourney for. I do want to add my logo, though. So to add a logo, guys, just click up here. You see me clicking, right? And hang on. I haven't done this in a second. Select image. I think I got her mastered. And I use Canva, guys, to do a lot of my graphics and stuff like that. I used to use PicMonkey, but they denied me as being an affiliate for them. And I was using them for well over 10 years, probably, yeah, doesn't matter. So I switched over to Canva, and yes, I have an affiliate link, but I'm not going to put it in there because you don't really get much with it. There's not a real savings for you guys or money for me. So then just click done. We'll make it bigger. I always go 220. If you didn't know, one of my favorite numbers is 22. It's an angel number. A brief wardrobe change because it's freaking freezing here in California. Blah, blah. Okay, guys, now I'm finally to the point where I'm going to show you how to use Midjourney for your slideshows or whatever you want to use them for. So over the last couple days, I've just been messing around with Midjourney. I'm not super versed on Midjourney, guys. I pay for Midjourney, like $20, which is pretty much unlimited. But again, guys, if you're looking for prompts and stuff like that, I'm probably not your guy. I'm definitely not your guy. I was just messing around, and I mean, look at some of these images, guys. And the prompt on this was Trump saving the world, super realistic, USA, and this is Midjourney version 5. Again, I'm not going to go into all of that. There's a ton of people who know way more about Midjourney than your cash cow. But I mean, look at this. I mean, I created a bunch of stuff, guys. Obviously, for my man, Donald Trump. I like this a lot. So basically, I'll click on it, then I'll right click, save image, save it. Obviously, it's not wide. So I go into Canva and change the dimensions. I think the dimensions are 2,240 by 1260. If y'all wanted to know. But anyway, guys, so what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and take this, and you'll just click on the slide and select image. Obviously, we don't have any images in here, really. Well, let's just use this one. No, because I have one sized already, sorta, kinda. It's freaking freezing here! Take me to Mexico. Yeah, I should have been a singer. Then click done. Stuff like this, guys, and then you can add more slides to this. Now, obviously, I haven't done any of the navigation or anything like that. This is probably not going to say browse our latest products or what have you, but yeah. Hang on. There's a bunch of different things you guys can do in here. You can change the opacity on the image and all that. That looks really good, doesn't it? But anyway, then you can change. I don't know what that did. I thought it was going to move this, but like I always say, guys, the only reason that I know how to do any of this stuff is just because I get in and I take action, and I hate that word, take action, or phrase, but it's the truth, guys. I mean, I have dyslexia and ADHD, if you couldn't tell. So I just kind of, it's hard for me to like watch a video and like consume all that I supposedly learned. So I just get in and I just start messing around with stuff until I figure it out. So no excuses, guys. But there's got to be a way to add more. Oh. So you just click add slide underneath here. And Hey, look at that. And then we'll add another one. We'll add that one that I just put in there. Or that I just saved. It's going to look like shit. But I'm just showing you. Now what you can do is... Oh, see, that did change that. Let's go middle left. Anyway, guys, obviously it doesn't look good because of the fact that I didn't decrease the size to the dimensions that I was just mentioning. But then you can add as many slides as you want. Let's see. We'll add one more. You know why? Because we can. I'm getting hungry. That's a little smaller or condensed. And then take this and we want that over on the whoops, left. Anyway, guys, you understand where I'm going here. I'm just going to publish it just because. I just want to see what it looks like. Now, obviously, guys, this is going to look way better as we go. And I'm going to show you guys the entire process of this because this website is going to make a shit ton of money. Trust me on that. Yeah, and like this gap is too big on the bottom and top there. And these slides should be moving automatically. I don't know why they're not. What's up, Donald? But anyway, guys, I think that's all I have for this video. I'm sorry it took me so long to get to this point, but hopefully you fast forwarded or whatever. And yeah, like I said, I'll walk you guys through everything as I go here, but I should have this website done. I'm gonna give myself 48 hours, so maybe I'll make the next video in 48 hours and I will show you guys how she looks. Yeah, again, guys, other than that, I hope you've all been well. I hope that your hump day is going wonderful. And I'll probably see you in the next 48 to 72 hours, something like that. And, oh, we just got another sale. Hang on. Oh, and I made this too, guys. I do a lot, if you didn't know. Okay, so we've done $149. Not horrible. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I love you all, and thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you didn't, why not? I hope this was of value to some of you, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Love you all. Peace to the out.